Today we're going to do a little grilling, a little swimming, and unfortunately it's going to be the last flight for the drone that has accompanied me to 10 different countries over the past 3 years as I send it to a watery grave. Alright, we're here at the seashore. It's kind of cloudy today, so we're just going to hang out, maybe have a few drinks, have some food. Elvie wants to swim.
Hello.
Let's see what we got here. Whoa! We got some sweet potatoes and some bananas. These are already cooked. And then we got some of these little baby fish here. They're so delicious. And here's some more fish. And there's some fish on the grill. What's really interesting about the grilling here is that we're grilling on charcoal, but it's coconut. That's a coconut husk. So you use coconut shell. Yeah, coconut shell charcoal. That's what we're cooking on. And then we just went to the store at the resort and got some Red Horse Sandmig apple for Elvie and Tandooi. Tandoi's rum, if you don't know. And this fifth of rum, the Red Horse, the Sandmig apple with ice, and all set up, ready to go. Cost how much?
$350.
So it's $7. $7 for a fifth of rum, a big beer, and a little beer, and ice. You can't beat that. Then we're sitting right here under this little palapa. The water's as clear as it can be. It's overcast, a little bit windy. We're having a good time. Is it cold?
No, it's not.
It's not cold? Ah, the fish is coming off. Get one of these little fish here. These delicious little fish. So these are little dried spiced fish. And we were eating them earlier with sweet potato and with banana also. We got fish is ready, and we've got some good sauce to go with it. And what is this one?
Vinegar.
Oh, vinegar. Oh man, I didn't even do it. I didn't try that. So we're gonna dip the baby fish in the vinegar. With the little dried fish, we'll dip them in vinegar. It's good. You know, I'll eat anything. But those little dried fish are really good. Kind of salty, maybe like anchovy a little bit. And we got this sauce, we got vinegar, we got this fish, fruit, rum. We're ready to go. Delicious.
What are you eating?
Fish.
What fish is that?
I don't know. This fish.
Do you like the small one?
Mm-hmm. It's my favorite. Love it. Dipped in vinegar.
Yum.
Sweet potato. So good.
Okay.
Now I'm civilizing and eating the pork.
You're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose